porcelain's cold now, where your warm hand rested, watching you pack the bread up, and the wine you invested in silence. A careful art, each movement played a part. The steam begins to fade, a breath I never made this quiet. A slow parade of words I left unswayed. I left a plate out for what I couldn't say. Watch the city hum and fade away. This empty space, a testament to yesterday, and all the things we didn't say. Fourth floor, the glass is clear. Headlights paint the street below. A yellow taxi idles near. Someone looks up but doesn't know this room, this view, this single sign of fragile porcelain design. A fork clinks on the rim, a soft and fragile hymn. The shadows start to dim, this feeling on a whim. I left a plate out for what I couldn't say. Watch the city hum and fade away. This empty space, a testament to yesterday, and all the things we didn't say. The curtain starts to sway to a rhythm I can't place. Moths circle the CRT's display, lost in time and space. Played out for what I couldn't say. Watch the city hum and fade away. This empty space, a testament to yesterday, and all the things we didn't say. Moth dance in the blue light. Silence claims the night. The plate still holds a gentle heat, a memory, bittersweet, still warm, still warm.